morning student. Today we are going to see the next part of our lesson, a true story of sea turtle. In the first period, I told you about the writer Bhau Kadare. He was a Nisarga Mitra and with his some voluntaries, with his some colleagues, he visit Konkan beach and when he visit Konkan beach, there they found some shallow pits uh, and in that shallow pits they found white eggshells. When they inquired about the eggshells, the villagers, the native people of that place told them that these are the eggs of turtle. These are eggs of turtle. So they decided to study this unusual occurrence. And when they went to study about it, further study about it, they shocked on hearing some news. And in that, they come to know that the turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state, and many villagers, many native people always combing the beach, means they always search the beach and early hours in the morning, then they get the eggs from that place. The female turtle comes on shore to nest to lay eggs, and when she came to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track. The native people follow this track, and what they do after following this track, we are going to learn it. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. This, the egg hunters, means the people, native people of that place, follows this trail half a meter deep, right up to the nest. The female turtle leaves this trail up to the nest, and the egg hunters follow this trail up to the nest, and the nest is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 150 eggs that are laid inside. And then the egg hunters dig up the nest. They dig up the nest and steal all the eggs. The eggs are near about 100 or 150. These eggs are there then either eaten or sold in the market. Then when the egg hunters got that eggs, they either sold the eggs in the market or they ate the eggs. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is also to live till the laying is over. And if sometimes the female turtle is spotted while she was laying the eggs, then it also allowed to live. The egg hunters allow the female turtle to live only up to laying the eggs. Only up to laying the eggs. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. And when the sea turtle, the female turtle, laid the eggs, then the egg hunter also caught it. Either they killed it and they eat. Then they killed the female turtle and ate it. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world, and this ruthless means cruel. This cruel practice is observed in all parts of the world. This did not happen at only any one place. This practice happens every part of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection. But in India, the sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1st. They are included in Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Act 1972. Of the Indian Wildlife Act 1972. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. In short, the turtles have been given as much protection, as much importance as the tigers. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtles' eggs and killing turtle is carried on in a secret hush-hush manner. And so, all this business means some people, some egg hunters are doing the business of gathering turtles, killing them or eating them, or they sold them in a hush-hush manner, means in a secret manner. This information was distressing and this information was very shocking. We began to think seriously about it. When the writer and his volunteers come to know this fact that on various places that this process is going on, means the egg hunters are stealing the eggs, they sold the eggs either or they killed them. They even when the female turtle finished laying eggs, she has been also caught and she has been killed by them and then they ate it also. When all this is known to writer and his volunteers, they became shocked. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. Then, on knowing all this, writer and decided they undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. Here we saw some part of our lesson. Now we are going to see this part on the digital board. Then I will give you some homework.